Koski shopping center here in Valkeakoski. Virtual vehicle in Finland. Replaced in 2016, probably built sometime in the late 1980s or something. Photos here. The serial number is 425011967 and the capacity is 50 persons, 150 grams. Sadly, the third elevator is replaced by Otis in 2014, so we don't have to film it at all.
Yeah.
This will be inspected in 2023. It should have still been original.
Yeah.
Probably was some interesting, maybe series Otis Series 1 or something.
Yeah.
Or Valmet. The art series.
Yeah.
Who knows? Or Kone. There are glass doors here though.
Yeah.
I don't think it used to have them.
Yeah.
It looks replaced because those panels.
Yeah.
It's covered.
We can change the letters at the basement.
Yeah.
Is dit pakivaiset maintained by Kone?
Still a good wooden interior.
Yeah. It's rare in shopping centers.
It is actually.
Yeah.
For some reason. The stainless steel is not more durable.
Yeah.
You said no?
Yeah.
Again. It's busy.
Yeah.
But you went to the second?
Yeah.
And today is the 5th of July 2000. It looks like the chimes were there.
Yeah.
Maybe it was series 1.
Yeah.
I think it was because the size looks like it. You see the information in the other one, so don't even
Yeah.
oh, okay, so then we don't know. But maybe we can try to find a freight elevator.
Yeah.
This was replaced in 2016. The serial number is 425011966 and the capacity is 50 person, 150 grams. It's going to be inspected in 2023 with 4 floors. I don't know if there's any more for passengers.
Yeah. Yeah.
We can search.
Of course.
Let's close the door. Oh yeah. Oh, Koskikara actually. Koskikara, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Not just Koski. But yes, we should have also been here before the replacement. And it speaks Finnish and
It's
English.
not ground floor.
No.
It's basement.
Or, yeah.
That's